Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Danielle. Welcome to the family. I am so excited because it is kicking off the summertime in the best way possible. It is FabFitFun time. I love these boxes. I love showing you guys these boxes. They are so much fun. It's the only subscription box that I get because you can truly customize, you can truly go out of your comfort zone and get things that you've never tried before, that you've maybe had your eye on, whatever it may be. These boxes are some of the best subscription boxes that I've ever tried. I've been a member since 2018. I absolutely love these. I'm an annual member now, and the price of each of these boxes outweighs the total price that I pay, and it's almost double, maybe even triple. And they're fantastic. So I'm so excited. This fabulous box. Now this isn't as big. When it showed up, I was like, is this my add-ons? It's not. And I love this though, because I love the blue. And then when you open it up, look how fabulous it is. I love the blue. Blue's my favorite color. And I love that it says, come on in. And then on the other side, it says, hello, beautiful. It is so precious. It says, being poolside brings me joy. It does. I'd rather be on the beach, but either way. Kicking it off right up the top, we have a little FabFitFun scratch off. Ultimate prize pack valued at $10,000 plus. I love these. And we always get like HelloFresh or something up at the top. And then we have a wine voucher for Naked Wines. So I love these little gifts that they give us up at the top as well, because they're just a nice little addition to everything. So I'm gonna kick it off, show you guys everything. I'm gonna tell you the price of everything, and at the end I'll tell you the total value of it all, just like we always do. So kicking it off, I got the Vacation Classic Lotion SPF 30. This is priced at $18. By the legendary Vacation of Miami. Leisure enhancing and excessively good. Sunscreen for long days by the pool. Water resistant for 80 minutes. The scent of summer. It does smell good. I am a person who has to wear sunscreen all the time. I am Irish, so sunscreen is like an essential for me. So whenever I see sunscreen come up as a customization, I always like to try it. I've been bitten in the butt. Some of them have given me acne, but I always like to try it, and I always like to have sunscreen in the house that I can readily use very quickly. So this is my first time trying Vacation. I'm very excited, and we'll see how it goes. Next item in here, my sister's very excited about this, and usually when I get stuff in my box, some of it most likely ends up going to her because she is an esthetician, and so she loves when I get products and she steals them. But this is First Aid Beauty Firming Cream, and I've heard amazing things. I've used First Aid Beauty before. I haven't used this, but dermatologist tested, no artificial fragrance, which is great for me because I can't use stuff that's fragrance. Safe for sensitive skin. Music to my ears. Very thick, very thick. Has a thing up at the top to keep it all in there, but truly no scent. Apply to face and neck daily in the AM and PM. Use alone or over a serum. I like First Aid Beauty. I can't wait to try this because this has been on my list, and I'm sure my sister would be thrilled that I'm actually using products that she likes. So First Aid Beauty, this is priced at $44. This is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Firming Collagen Cream. That's a mouthful. The next thing that I have in here is Glow Oasis. It is the probiotics and triple peptide refreshing eye cream. How beautiful this packaging is. Guys, I'm a sucker for good packaging because I just love how the way it looks. Has vitamin C in it. It's vegan, 100% vegan, dermatologist tested, non-GMO. Like, it's so nice. Oh my God, I love this bottle. Can I keep this bottle forever? Once again, it has a thing up at the top. Oh, but it's not, it doesn't have a smell. It's not scented either. It's very light, very light. It's like, it's kind of, it feels like lotion. Feels like lotion is exactly what it feels like. It's not as heavy as the cream, which I love. Oh my gosh. sister's gonna be thrilled with all the skincare. She really is. But I love this. And so this is, once again, this is priced at $48. Glow Oasis. I've never heard of this brand. This is my first time hearing about this brand. So I'm excited to test them out and see how it works. The next thing I have in here, if you guys know me at all, I love a good journal. I write. I'm a person who loves to write and take notes and things like that. So they had this as one of the extra options. And so I got this. This is the Studio O Edith notebook for $22. And it's so pretty. Look how pretty that is. I love the pattern. But when you open it up, there's pages. They're all divided. The pages are all different. So you got lined. You have dot. You have grid. And then it repeats itself all over again. So it's just a nice little journal. I take notes 24/7. I'm a written person. So I always have something like a pen and paper always near me because it just helps me get all my juices and all my stuff out of my mind. All right, this shouldn't come as a shock, but I did the ball of bangles. These are the half-pound weights, and it actually came with a 2-month free online classes. So these were $70.98. Look at them. Oh my God, I love them. They are so totally cute. So they do connect together. You can unconnect them. Just nice little, you can use on your wrists, your ankles, whatever it may be. I love that they're blue. Can we talk about how happy I am that a lot of this is blue this month or this season? So I love them. And truly, I mean, let's see if I can do this. And you just wrap it around. Ball of bangle. There we go. You know, walks. It's just a nice little added weight for walks. I typically do my ankles. That's where I typically do all my ball of bangle or just weights in general. So I love that it says yoga, Pilates, walking, dance, bar, aerobics, boxing, core, hiking, HIIT. That's bala size. I love this, and I love that it comes in this little container. I just love when stuff comes in its own container. It makes it really nice. Now, this is actually a surprise to me. I kind of like to do like now that I'm an annual member, they let me, you can do like a surprise, like they'll surprise you with something. So this, I had no idea. It's Draper James though, and so I know it's jewelry, and so I'm so excited right now to open this. Oh my God, I love Draper James, and so, oh my God, okay. Oh my God, they're earrings, and they're so pretty. Oh my gosh. I love them. A gold hoop, and they got the pearl right at the top. Very classic. They feel very timeless. These are priced at $68. So I am so excited right now. I love this. Like I said, I just picked these as like a surprise me item, and this is what they sent me. Like, totally worth it. I love jewelry, so this is like perfection. All right, you guys, and that is everything in this summer's FabFitFun box. I love it. It's just a nice, like, simple collection of things that we got going forward moving into this new season. I gave you guys the price of everything. The total price of this box, the total value of it is $227.97. I think I paid $199 for all 4 boxes. They are the only subscription box that I do, and that is so totally worth it. I will link FabFitFun right down below so you guys can go get yourself your own FabFitFun box. You can even gift these to people for holidays, birthdays, whatever it may be. They are amazing, and I recommend these boxes to everybody. So if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, join this awesome family, and I will see you guys back here next time. Bye, y'all.